Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to automate budgeting with Kabbage Analytics. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. Now the first step is going to be to log into your Kabbage account, so start by logging into your Kabbage account and navigate to the Kabbage Insights section. Step 2, set up budgeting preferences. Now in the analytics dashboard, you want to look for the budgeting options. Now you'll be able to input your expected income and expenses, as well as set up automatic tracking for certain categories like payrolls, operating cost, and marketing. Step 3, choose categories to track. Now you're going to select the category that you want Kabbage to automatically monitor. You can include things like sales, rent, supplies, and loans. Now Kabbage will automatically update your budget each time a transaction is made. Step 4, set alerts and limits. Now you can set up alerts and spending limits within your budget. Kabbage will notify you if you're approaching your spending cap for a particular category, which of course will help you to stay on track. Step 5, review automated reports. Now Kabbage will generate automated budget reports that gives you a snapshot of your financial status, and you can use these reports to make informed decisions without having to manually track every expenses. And that's how you can automate budgeting with Kabbage Analytics. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another one of our updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.